Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat mga kababayan. Bumaliktad ang 4 sa mga 18 na Malita Boys. Binawi ang nauna nilang salaysay na nagdadawit kay dating Speaker Martin Romualdez sa korupsyon ng flood control projects. Dahil sa pagbaliktad ng mga 4 na Malita Boys, hayagang inakusahan ni Ombudsman Boying Rimulya ang kampo ni dating Speaker Martin Romualdez bilang utak sa pagbawi ng naunang testimonya ng 4 na Malita Boys.
You know what we're talking about?
Do you think
The camp of former Speaker Romualdez, his lawyers, his strategists, his advisors, yung mga tumutulong sa kanya, kasama na yan. I wish I could give the other names, but wag muna. Saka na natin sabihin yung mga ibang pangalan.
kumbaga they're chipping away the...
Oh, they're trying to do it, yeah. They're trying to do
okay.
it. They're desperate.
Sir, just to clarify, you're saying po na posible na ang kampo po ni na Martin Romualdez ang nasa likod sa pag-recount
Siyempre,
ng app?
siyempre. Sino pa? Sino pa? Sino pa ibang makikinabang dyan pag nag-recount yan? O, di ba? O.
Ang naunang affidavit ng mga Malita Boys ay ginamit ng Ombudsman para patibayin ang kaso laban kay Romualdez. Dahil sa pagbawi ng testimonya ng 4 na mga Malita Boys, maaaring isama sila bilang mga kapwa-accused ni Romualdez ayon kay Ombudsman Rimulya.
Sir, what will happen doon sa 4 na since nag-recount sila, itong affidavit ay
They'll be
dadalhin
charged.
ba dito?
They'll be charged.
What charge, sir?
But to be part of the, as part of the, we will do it. We will, as one of the accused. Na-charge namin sila.
In which
That's
case?
natural. That's natural. Kasi nga, kaya nga hindi sila chinarge. Kasi nga, tumitistigo sila. Pag hindi sila tumitistigo, di charge namin sila. O, co-accused na sila. Oo.
Co-accuse sila ni Martin.
Oh, magiging co-accused sila. Meron silang
What particular
accessories.
case, sir?
Accessories after the fact. Covering up. Pinagtatakpan nila. Oh. Ano? Di ba? Kung ano ang nagpalit sa kanilang isipan, kayo na mag-usga. Ayaw alangan naman ako magsabi kung ano nangyari dyan.
Sir, na-interview din po itong si Attorney Baligod sa Las Piñas Court kasi nag-post sila ng bail doon sa kaso po na final po ni na Representative De Lima. Sa interview po sinabi ni Attorney Baligod na itong 4 daw po ay inamin, yung may ilan daw po doon sa kanila na umamin na inaalok nga daw po ng pera para nga bumaliktad.
Hindi ko alam eh. Kaya nga sabi ko nga, yung credibility niya, credibility ng witnesses, we will see them in court. Sa korte na yan. Kasi you may make a big thing out of it, but I tell you, it's to our advantage. Makikita mo talaga how desperate that camp is to take away the witnesses against them because we have built a solid case already. So,
Okay, do you referred to a camp that is
yes,
taking away the witnesses?
it's the accused.
Sir, sa'yo naman galing, sir.
A camp of the accused.
Tungkol naman sa mga abogadong gumawa ng paraan para bumaliktad ang mga 4 na Malita Boys, nagbabala si Rimulya na maaari silang gumawa ng aksyon para madisbar ang mga ito.
Ito yung punto na we should look at the lawyers again on the role of lawyers in our society. Kasi lawyers, you're supposed to defend your client to the very end. Tama yan. Pero when you start obstructing justice and start coming up with schemes to frustrate the ends of justice, then you become complicit in the crimes committed. Kaya, ano yan, mabigat yan. And we will make sure that Attorney Baligod will be there to answer questions even before the court. And of course, we know these people freely on their own went with one of the ombudsman people to go to the locations, and they were the ones who pointed at specific locations where they delivered the money. Oh, meron yan. So, we can easily, we will ask them who were their lawyers, and we will ask the courts to discipline them when the time comes, when the proper time comes. I think we've had enough of these antics of the lawyers, no? Enough antics. And if they think that it's the same thing over and over again, that they can just play hardball with us while violating their code of ethics, then watch out. We will not let it pass. Hindi na yung palalampasin to. It's up to them. If they really want to fight it out that way, dirty, then we will just go to the Supreme Court and ask them to be defrocked and to be taken out of the role of attorneys.
Sir, sinong lawyer po yung nire-refer nila?
No, I don't know. We will ask to whom it may be concern.
Okay.
Whoever they are. Kahit sino pa sila.
Sir, just a couple of more, no? Direct na. May allegation na somebody from the ombudsman, I don't know who, hindi naman nakalagay dun sa affidavit, no? Na may prepared statement, he was threatened to sign it. Just that allegation, sir, your comment, please.
Yun nga, sinabi ko nga eh. Meron rin naman kami recording eh.
Okay.
Ng lahat eh. Nung nangyari eh. May recording kami ng lahat. Kaya, okay lang yan. Kasi nga, some lawyers think that it's still the same old days. That they can frustrate the ends of justice that way. We will not take it sitting down. Lalabanan namin sila hanggang dulo. We will identify them and make sure that they get dropped from the role of attorneys.
Sir, just
Play
last.
dirty, then you have to face up to the consequences of playing dirty with us. With the Filipino people, ha? Hindi lang kami. Taong bayan yan.
Sir, last na lang. What is the legal status po of the counter affidavits? Because basically, the way...
No. The counter affidavits are there
no,
for
recognition
us
pala.
to use. The affidavits are there for us to use. And we will use them. And if they want to recant it, so be it. But it will be in court already.
Sir, does it weaken or strengthen your case against the speaker?
Actually, neither. It doesn't weaken or strengthen. But of course, it just points out to the fact that there are people working on his behalf to obstruct the ends of justice.
Can we elaborate, please?
We're making people lie.
Who's making people lie?
Kami, kaya namin takutin ng Marines. Tatakutin namin sila. Ayaw nga nila ng protection eh. Kasi nga kaya nila yung sarili nila eh. Paano sila matakutin? Di ba? We're offering them security and people here are present. We're there when the Marines, may nakakiti pa yun, may tumatawa pa nga eh. May kinikilig pa nga habang may pirma eh. Tuwan-tuwa eh. Oh.
Sir, doon na po sa fabricated na affidavit, dinadawit na sinasabi na pinipilit na ombudsman na idawit si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Bakit po kaya?
Hindi ko alam yun. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung affidavits. Pero basta ako, I stand by the work that we do here. I stand by the work that we do here.
Pero wala pong pagpipilit mula po sa ombudsman na papirmahin sila ng panibagong pinabit.
Wala. Whatever they signed before stands. And they will be examined in accordance with the statements they made. Hindi sila, we will not, if they have to be treated as hostile witnesses, so be it. But their testimonies will be there in front of people to show that people who stole money are willing to frustrate the ends of justice so they can get away with what they did. Gusto nila makawala, subukan nila. Pero ito, we stand by it and we will present it in court. Mike.
Sir Camille po from TV5. Sir, balikan ko lang po yung kay Martin Romualdez. So, I believe, sir, na you mentioned na po before na isa rin po sa mga pinagbasehan no para doon sa application po ng PHDO against Romualdez yung naging affidavit nga po nitong 18.
Among others.
Among others.
I mean, that's not the only evidence that we have. Marami kami ibang ebidensya pa.
Pero sir, ano lang po yung assurance sa public? Kasi baka po isipin nila na, ayan na, nag-recant na yung iba, baka naman hindi na
Ang recantation is frowned upon by the courts. That is the way that the courts are supposed to treat recantations. Especially, ito nga, twice na nag-issue ng testimonies against Romualdez, itong mga to. Kaya, when we bring them up as hostile witnesses, makikita nyo naman eh. Nalalabas namin sila as hostile witnesses.
Mga kaibigan, mayroon ba kayong pananaw sa ating topic? Please leave your comments below. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunod hanggang sa muli. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.